Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Scene. So today's session we are gonna talk about how to add SSH key in GitLab. And today's video we are gonna discuss all these points. What is SSH key in Git and how to create SSH key in Git, how to add SSH key in GitLab, and how to clone GitLab repo with SSH, and last, how to push local code to GitLab. So first, what is SSH key? SSH stands for Secure Shell. It authenticates to the GitLab server without using username and password each time. And before creating SSH key, you need to install Git in your machine. So here, how to create and add SSH key in GitLab. So here you can see here's the step. So firstly, go to the GitLab account. So you can see here my GitLab account, and in my machine there is already installed Git. So now I'm creating SSH key. So firstly click on add SSH key, and in my previous video I have explained how to create a repository or project. So now in today's video we are generating SSH key. So firstly go to the Git bash, and if you install Git, then you can generate the SSH key, otherwise not. So in Git bash, before generating SSH key, firstly we have to configure username and email. So firstly run the command git config --global user dot name. In double quote our username, that's the DevOps hint. You can see here the username here, DevOps hint. So press enter. Same for email, user.email. DevOps hint @gmail.com. Press enter and it's done. So clear the screen first. So now we are generating SSH keys. So in Git bash, run the command ssh.keygen. And you can see here it is asking to you where the file is saved. So I want the same path, so I will press the enter, again press the enter, press enter again, and this is created. So now I'm going to my folder. So go to C, user, and you can see here .ssh folder, that the same name here, .ssh folder. Open the folder and open the file with pub extension. So open with Notepad or Notepad++. So copy the key and go to the GitLab and paste here. So if you want to change the title, then you can change it. So demo key on add key. So you can see here the SSH key has been created successfully or added successfully in GitLab. So now we are going to third or fourth point, that is how to clone GitLab repo with SSH, and last one, how to push local code to GitLab. So firstly open the Git bash and clear the screen first, and here run the command git clone, and in double quote go to the GitLab and click on your project and click on clone, and copy the clone with SSH and paste here. Press enter. So yes. So it's done. So now run the command cd and your project name. So my project name is demo, cd demo. Then run the command touch. touch command used for create file. So here I am creating sample.txt file. So run the command touch sample.txt. Press enter. And now run the command ls for checking our file created or not. So yes, file has been created successfully, sample.txt. So now run the command add dot, then git commit -m, and in double quote you can put any commit. So here I am assigning sample file added. So now last command git push -u origin main. Before run the code, go to the GitLab and check on your repository name. Sorry, check on your branch name. So my branch name is main, so that's why here main. If your branch name is master, so run the command git push -u origin master. Press enter. So it's done. So go to the GitLab and refresh. So you can see here sample file added here sample.txt. So here you can see file successfully added in my repository. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked the video. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Hint channel.